We will discuss Nifty's bullish consolidation ahead of the highly anticipated Fed rate cut decision on 18 September. We'll also dive into the stellar debut of Bajaj Housing Finance shares, Dixon Technologies' new high, and the broader market outlook. Stay tuned for key insights and stock highlights. This Tuesday morning, GIFT Nifty is seen wavering, indicating bullish consolidation could be the preferred theme for the day. FPR benchmark Nifty. Nifty new record high now is placed at 25,445.70. The street is betting that the Fed could make a larger interest rate cut. The odds of bigger rate cut is on the rise at the Fed policy outcome on 18 September. The Fed is all but certain to lower the federal funds rate from its current 23-year high when its latest meeting concludes this Wednesday, 18 September, with the street now bickering between whether it will be 25 basis points, 0.25%, or 50 basis points, 0.50%, on backdrop of driven by recent inflation and jobs data. As of recording, according to CME Group's FedWatch tool, futures traders are pricing in a 53% probability for a 0.25% cut and a 47% chance it'll be 0.50%. Bottom line, hopefully, more fireworks after the FOMC meeting outcome, which will conclude on 18 September. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1635 crores, while DIIs too bought shares to the tune of Rs 754 crores. Sentiments shall prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating higher high-low play. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,500 to 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has dropped to 12.46 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th September, is at 1.63 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th September, is at 0.86. Nifty outlook, an up and down session is quite likely. Nifty, CMP to 5384. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 25,189 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 25,551 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,300 and 5550. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 5 to 153. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 51,025 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 53,359 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 51,705 to 700. Bias for the day is positive. In yesterday's trade, Nifty did scale new record high at 25,445.70 mark, but digging deeper, the price action was listless. Now, the stocks which are on the front pages and catching attention. 1. Bajaj Housing Finance shares made a bumper debut and zoomed towards 165 rupees, surging 136% above the IPO issue price of 70 rupees. The MCAP of the Bajaj Housing Finance surpassed 1 trillion rupees mark within minutes of the mega listing. Source: Business Today. 2. Dixon Technologies, India, was star outperformer in yesterday's trade, up 7% to scale a new high of 14,056 rupees after Paget Electronics, Paget, signed a memorandum of understanding with ASUS India, ASUS, to manufacture information technology products such as notebooks for the company. Source: Business Standard.